Hello and welcome. Today I've got this DCN660 Type 2. I fixed this yesterday. I replaced the springs in it, but there's a broken magazine. It's not really doing it much harm, but it is something we might have to give some attention to. And I'm going to try and formulate a fix. What happened is there's a round part sits on here. It's a plastic button that's broke off from the lower part, so we'll have to open it and see if we can formulate a solution. The first step is to get the screws out and get this all opened up. Right, let's see what we're doing here. As you can see, this is the part that's broke. It's broke off from there. That round piece sits inside the housing and holds the magazine steady, but that has been broken. As you can see, I could glue it on, but I don't favour it to be a very long lasting solution. I think I might do away with this piece altogether. I've come up with an idea. I think that might work. Let's see. I have a box of these, a little screw screwed into here, just fair in the center. I've actually got, like, because this has got a cross on it, I can go fair in the center of that, and that screw will hopefully sit on here, and this part here I could actually manufacture it to sit on better. I could take a wee bit out of the body if I have to, but I think it'll work. So here we are. Hopefully that'll be enough to hold it steady. Yeah, and we're just not too bad there. We're not interfering with the nails that are going in. We'll make sure that they're sliding alright in the holder, and we'll close that up to see if we can see if it works. Just have to see how well the lid closes with this new scenario, as it were. We'll just see the other thing we'll have to check. I'll put a couple of screws on it to see. We'll have to check if the nails are sliding properly. Let's see when these nails come out. They're down past that okay anyway. The next thing is to put the rest of the screws on and check if it's firing, because it is slightly out from the body of this. I might have to screw it in further. Probably can do that, or I can cut the screw or do something. I'll figure something out. With these experimental type fixes, it's trial and error. You have to just see what works. I'm just going to screw this in a bit further, just to have it more in alignment with where the original was. That's probably near enough there now, and hopefully we're not protruding too much and interfering with the nails, but we'll not know that till we put it back together. Put this back together, and I think it's sitting closer to the original position. It's more stable than it was. Still a slight bit of movement, but we'll live with that. We'll have to make sure the nails, I've slid them out so I know they're sliding past the point that there may have been an issue. So that's pretty good. Also, we'll have to do the final test, which I don't think will be a problem. We'll have to test, is it working? Is it still working? So here we go. Not a problem. Crazy fixes like this, you do need screws. I'll try and put a link in the description for these on Amazon. I got these off Amazon. This part's now obsolete, and yeah. Well, the DeWalt DCN660, so good I fixed it twice. I fixed it yesterday and I fixed this today. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.